कितनी बार देखा गया हमारे कलाकार अपने पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में कुछ शॉकिंग कन्फेशंस कर देते हैं। इन कन्फेशंस को सुनकर जैसे कि मानो ऑडियंस कंप्लीटली स्टन हो जाती है। कलाकारों की निजी जिंदगी में क्या कब कैसा चल रहा है ये जानना काफी ज्यादा रोमांचक होता है। और इसी प्रकार से बॉलीवुड के काफी सारे स्टार्स हैं जो कि रिवील करते आते हैं नजर अपने बेडरूम के सीक्रेट्स। जहाँ दोस्तों बात करें सलमान खान की, then the host of Big Boss had funnily stated on a Coffee with Karan episode that he's a virgin. He joked about actually saving it for his wife. वहीं दीपिका पादुकोण ने कहा था, talking about sexual activities and sex, Deepika had once shared that it's more of an emotionless thing to her. For me, sex is not just about physically being involved. There are emotions involved. I have never started or stayed when I am in a relationship. If I'm going to be fooling around, why would I be in a relationship? The next one being Ranbir Kapoor. Ranbir Kapoor, who's all talk of the town, is one of the interviews had revealed that he lost his virginity at the age of 15. He shared that he lost it to one of his girlfriends from school. The next one being Shahid Kapoor. It was on Coffee with Karan that Shahid had actually once revealed that his wife and him, Meera Rajput and him, once got intimate in a car. एक लीडिंग पोर्टल के रिपोर्ट्स के अनुसार मीरा had also spilled their bedroom secrets and stated that Shahid is a control freak. The next one being Alia Bhatt. एक old interview में on a leading portal, Alia Bhatt had actually revealed that her favorite sex position is classic missionary and she's a simple person. वही बात कर रणवीर सिंह की तो आपको बता देते हैं, रणवीर had once revealed that he had lost his virginity at the age of 12. एक लीडिंग पोर्टल से बात करते दौरान उसने कहा था that I think that I was around 12 when I did it. I started everything early in life. I was way ahead. So much that in my school also the mothers used to say, Ranveer is that rotten apple that is spoiling our kids. I used to hold sermons with all the boys surrounding me and I used to teach them. They hadn't heard of it and became the expert because I had started saying something and also at a very young age. I got into a lot of trouble, but yes, I had that kind of a Kira in me. Maybe I was the Kira there. Imran Hashmi. The serial kisser का remark from Bollywood लेने के बाद आपको बता देते हैं कि the actor had revealed that he misses one night stands when asked what does he miss the most about being single. Last but not the least, Arjun Kapoor. Leading poll से बात करते हुए Arjun Kapoor had stated that sex is more of an important meant than love. He also stated that the girl who is hard to get entices him a lot. If she is hard to get, in short, Alia is hard to get. No, actually, she's an intelligent girl. She's not easy to get. Physically, it would be the lips that I have a tendency to stare at women's lips when they talk. The fun is the chase, is what he had confessed. The last one on the list being Karan Johar. अपनी खुद की बायोग्राफी में Karan has revealed that he lost his virginity at the age of 26. अपनी इस book में Unsuitable Boy, he wrote, "To me, sex is very, very personal and very intimate feeling. If it's not something that I can do casually with just about anyone, I have to invest in it. I've always handled the rumors that came my way. There has been so much conjecture about my sexuality." Well, ये तो थे हमारे बॉलीवुड के दिग्गज कलाकार जिन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ और सेक्सुअल लाइफ के बारे में किए थे काफी बड़े संगीन खुलासे, अपने बेडरूम्स के सीक्रेट्स लाए थे सामने। आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में शेयर करना भूलिएगा इन कन्फेशंस के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates about the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.